Hi, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of uploading your site plan into the drawings. Let's focus on your site plan. By first uploading your site plan and aligning it to the base map and the exterior view of your project, you will be able to accurately align the rest of your interior drawings with the map in future steps. Begin by clicking on Add Layer. Now upload your site plan. Next, we'll align it with the map. The advantage of using a site plan is that it may contain street references, simplifying the alignment process even in the absence of on-site captures. You can see on the drawing on the left, I have this building and I also have this building that exists on the base map. So let's align into that. I'll choose this first point on the corner of this building and the second point on this other corner. And we'll zoom in to make sure that we're accurate. Next, we'll choose the two spots on the base map and we'll align the drawing to the base map. Once aligned, let's move on to the interior view to upload and align your interior drawings to the projects. To get to the interior view, click the interior button up top. And to upload new ones, I simply click Manage Level, and I can add a new one here. And if you don't have any levels uploaded to your project, you'll simply see a landing page, and there will be a button where you can upload your level in that way. Now, this process of uploading your drawing is going to be quite similar to uploading your site plan, with a few key differences. For accurate alignment, you'll need to align your drawing with the site plan that you just uploaded. And I'll show you how to do this. First, select Exterior. Then, select the site plan that you just uploaded. Now what I'll do is I'm going to align this drawing on the left to my site plan. So again, choose two known points. And then align it with the site plan. And now that that has been aligned, select the desired level you want to upload to. So let's upload to this one. And then click Finish. You'll want to repeat these steps for subsequent drawings before heading out for any on-site captures.